So today I'm going to, before my camera decided it wanted to stop recording, I'm going to change these ugly side markers out. They're side lights, but we're going to change them out. And what I'd ordered, these are hard to find by the way. So I got lucky this time. I've been trying for 3 times already. I finally found them. Boom. These are the side lights / side markers that go right there. And they also come with bulbs. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll come back at you and show you what it looks like. Okay, back again. Okay, literally took me 10 minutes to put the new ones in. Super simple. Thing is, with the new ones, they kind of don't want to fit correctly, but not too bad. It's just the clip back here in the back. Kind of have to it in there, shove it in there a little bit with a little bit of pressure to get those clips to go on. So, but yeah, these are, when they said to spray paint something on here, they just tried to spray paint over these. So I tried to bring these back, but I just gave up and show you guys what the new ones look like. Boom! So much better. Way better. It just ties the car a lot more together. So, but yeah, way better, and those lights are bright. So, way better, and I'm running LEDs all the way around anyway. So, they've got an orange tint to them, which is nice, but so much better. Way better. And those are really bright, so. But yeah. Not bad. Absolutely like them. So, well worth the money. So. And let me shut these off here. What I did was I got them, and they're a depot part, depot, just like my, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, sorry. I got new gaskets months ago for this car. You saw how bad they were in one of my videos. They were just disintegrating, so I went and got from the same company headlight gaskets. So these are brand new. So both of them, and I installed them months ago during the summertime. So yeah, and that's where I got these replacement parts. So side lamp units. So there's the part number, and they're for the Neon 2000 2001, but for ironically this is an 04 and it fits. So, but yeah, every product I get from this company is just great, so highly recommend them. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. If you already are subscribed, thank you for watching my videos and the transformation of this vehicle. There's more to come for it, so yeah. Until next time, Lou Dude out.